Are you looking to make your live streams more professional by adding a custom thumbnail in OBS Studio? Maybe you want a "Be Right Back" screen or a branded intro image before you go live. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to display a static image as a thumbnail within OBS, allowing you to create polished transitions and overlays that really help your stream stand out. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up OBS Studio. Once you've got it running, direct your attention to the Scenes panel, which you'll see on the bottom left of the screen. Scenes are essentially different layouts or combinations of sources you've built for your stream. Selecting the correct scene is important. Think of scenes like the chapters of your broadcast. So pick the scene where you want your thumbnail image to actually show up. A lot of streamers create a dedicated scene for their "starting soon" or offline graphics, but you can add an image to any scene you like. Next, look just below to the Sources panel. This is where you build out what appears in your scene. Every element, video, audio, images, gets added here as a different source. Click the little plus icon at the bottom. This opens a menu of all the types of sources you can add to your scene. Choose Image from this list. And if you ever get lost in all the options, just remember, image is what you want for any kind of static picture or graphic. Now, a window should pop up asking you to create a new image source. Give your new source a name that makes sense to you, like BRB thumbnail, or maybe title card. This might seem trivial, but trust me, naming your sources helps keep things organized, especially as your scenes get more complex over time. Click OK once you've named it. Next up, you'll see another window appear. This is where you select the actual image file. Click on the Browse button next to where it says Image File. Just navigate through your folders on your computer and find the image you want to use, whether it's a custom-made graphic, a photo, or a branded overlay. Once you've chosen your file, hit Open, and then click OK again. OBS will load your image, and you should now see the graphic appear in your preview window. At this point, you might notice the image isn't quite where you want it or is the wrong size. Thankfully, OBS makes adjustments super easy. Just click directly on your image in the preview, and you'll see a red border with handles appear around it. You can drag those handles in or out to make your image larger or smaller. And if it's not centered, no problem. Click and drag the image to move it anywhere on the canvas. Take your time here to get the positioning just right. If your thumbnail acts as a transition or a holding screen, you want it to look polished and professional. And remember, if it looks a little off now, don't worry. You can always come back and tweak the size or placement later. And that's it. Now, every time you switch to that scene, OBS will display your thumbnail image front and center. It's a simple trick, but it makes your streams look way more professional and helps you control exactly what your audience sees at any given moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got questions or suggestions for future OBS guides? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more streaming tips and easy tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.